Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing tasting. What tasting I call it? Yeah, we're trying Popeye's new Cajun fish sandwich, flounder sandwich. And based on Popeye's reputation, I can already tell that, well, I have great expectations. Let's put it that way. So...
And you tell them why we have to eat the fish sandwich? Because you don't want any meat for Lent?
That's not why we're eating the fish sandwich. We're eating the fish sandwich because it's new on the market and
I thought I was being forced.
No, you're not being forced. We're just trying the fish sandwich because we need to get first dibs and give you guys our first feedback on the thing. Yeah, but it's only it come right on time though because of the length and we're not eating.
What are you saying? The sandwich long?
Eh?
I said because of the length.
Really? The season of Lent.
Oh.
Yeah, so kind of taking a break from certain foods, certain meats rather. So fish it is. And Joshua's even on board. The non-fish lover is going to try.
I don't like fish, but since it's Popeyes, I will still taste how it tastes.
Since it's Popeyes, so what's so special about Popeyes?
And Joshua is the official taste tester when it comes to commercial food, them type of thing there. So yeah, you can follow Joshua's taste testing escapades at What Josh Eats. Yeah, check out the playlist.
I have to watch Josh. Oh, okay. All right.
Josh, you want a sandwich too?
Pull up to the Popeyes.
Good evening. Where's the Josh? Can we get 3 of your flounder sandwiches, please? I'm sorry?
Are they just sandwiches?
Yeah, you want anything else, babes?
Just a sandwich and beans and rice.
Can I get the sandwich? What sides does the sandwich come with, please? Hello?
Small fries?
Small fries? Alright. Can I get the sandwich, 3 sandwich by themselves and you want a large beans and rice?
Okay.
And a large bean and rice, red beans and rice, please. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Yeah, we just got the food and yes, guys, the sandwich looks super huge and Popeyes usually never disappoint in terms of the size of their meals, so I'm not surprised. I can't wait for the eat for this thing. Hopefully it's nice. Have you heard any reviews about it? I haven't.
No, yeah, you know, I've not yet heard any major reviews. I was about telling the people them say you buy McDonald's fries to go with it.
Oh yes, guys. Nothing beats some McDonald's fries. I'm just saying. I love Popeye's fries, you know, but I just wasn't feeling the seasoned fries vibes. I feel like Popeye's need to make regular fries for people who are not in the mood for seasoned fries. I'm just saying. It makes sense, right, Josh?
I don't know if that makes sense. Joshua said that makes no
Joshua
sense.
said it makes no sense. So people should always just eat seasoned fries. Yeah.
Oh, no, no, talk about the fact that you not eat fast food. Hmm?
So?
I am disappointed. I don't buy one too.
Alright, so next time you see us, we will be digging in. So, we are home, guys, and it's sandwich time. Alright.
Looks like the chicken sandwich bag.
Oh, they actually made a fish sandwich bag, but yeah, they need to get a bag that says love that fish from Popeyes.
Really?
They still have the love the chicken from Popeyes. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Your typical, what is this again? Potato bread?
Mm-hmm.
Brioche.
Oh, brioche.
Is that what
Sorry.
it's called? I'm pretty sure.
Something like that.
Oh, brioche bread. A huge slice of fish. And two, I think they could do better with the pickles though.
Yeah, and I mean the little tartar sauce look
Yeah.
hungry on the side there, so.
Well, some of the tartar sauce. Yes. But in their defense, some of the tartar sauce actually is on the fish. So I'm not mad at them for that, but
Oh, it look, Josh?
pickle.
It looks like the chicken sandwich to me, and it smells like the chicken sandwich to me.
And maybe it's just the same batter. Maybe they use the same batter that they use on the chicken,
Okay.
on the fish, you know. So you guys are gonna put sweet heat or anything on it, or you're gonna try it dry
I'm gonna
first.
try it dry first.
You want a napkin, babe?
To get the authentic taste.
The what kind of taste?
The authentic taste of the sandwich without anything.
I don't like fish. It's probably still gonna taste like
But Josh, yours look like it have a lot of pickle though.
it only has,
So they just hate it on you.
it only has two. Just saying.
Alright, so the moment of truth.
Hold on. Let me catch us let me zoom in and catch a bite.
First bite is the nicest.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow, this tastes like the shrimp.
It tastes,
For real?
tastes pretty good for fish.
No, it tastes pretty good, period.
For fish, it tastes pretty good.
All right, so tell me what it tastes like. Each person tell me what it tastes like.
Alright, let me rate it on the a couple things. Crunchiness, 5 star. It's nice and crunchy.
Out of 10?
Out of 5.
Oh, what am I even saying? Out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it has, I give it a 5 out of 5 for crunchiness. And it's not tough. What do you think, Josh? It's not hard at all.
It's crunchy on the outside.
It's good.
I like the spice, a little spice.
Yes, the
I think.
spice is almost too spicy for me, but it's not.
What? No. It's not spicy at all for, it's not that spicy for a regular person.
Mm-hmm. But it could use, I mean, I think I would want more tartar sauce on mine.
Oh, yeah.
And that maybe just the store. You know, that particular store, they give a small amount. You know what I mean? So we can't complain until we maybe try it at another store and see if it's a general rule of thumb.
And for fast food, guys, this,
Why would you put hot pepper?
I want a little sweet kick. For fast food, it is not salty. You know, sometimes, you know, the fast food tend to be overly salty.
Mm-hmm.
Not at all.
Josh should just be working. He not talking about nothing.
I don't know the dog. It tastes good with the pickles too. This is the same pickles as the chicken sandwich. This is literally their chicken sandwich with the same bun.
Literally. Mm-hmm.
Like, with their same bun but a different, like, meat in it.
I'm behind the camera eating, guys.
And the fish tastes like freshly caught fish. Well, no, I think I'm pushing it now.
Like-
but it don't taste like frozen fish.
It tastes like snapper. And guys, we not really eat this way all the time.
So,
I just make them know.
you do apologize?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Being informative.
But this fish sandwich don't have no apology. It's nice. Guys, you have to try this. If you eat fish at all, you have to try this.
Yeah. And the price is like, what, $4.99?
Or $4.49.
Mm-hmm. It's the real thing.
You want juice? This is good, guys.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Out of all of the restaurants them that have fish sandwich on their menu, I think this one has just set the bar way up.
The only thing I would do differently is add vegetables.
So the next time you do it, you could do like put tomatoes and all them something.
Remix it.
Cabbage.
What is this?
Coleslaw would be good in there.
Rice and beans.
Oh, rice and beans.
Mm-hmm.
First person to finish it gets $10.
For who? So you said that when you have one bag, you said when you have one bag, you get too wicked.
This is not a bad sandwich. I give it, out of 5, I give it 4.
I give it a 4.5. Only because they don't have the vegetables. Why do you give it 4?
If I need more tartar sauce.
Good job. How much you give it?
5 for fish.
5 for fish? It's good.
Josh, I done Piedmont first.
It is not that spicy.
For real.
I added that.
It's just the right amount of kick, guys, that if you don't like pepper, you can tolerate it. And if you do like pepper, you can add some sweet heat and make it look a bit better. So they did a good job gauging, you know, the level of pepper on the sandwich.
What about the price point? Not bad.
Not bad. For fish, I mean, then again, it's flounder. It's not like salmon sandwich.
Why do you disassemble it?
I want this for my rice.
Are you serious right now? Big disassembly not going on the camera?
Really?
So guys, if you are into Lent and all of that, and you don't want to eat no chicken, you don't want to eat no fast food, yeah, this sandwich can, not fast food, sorry, you don't want to eat any, you know, meat kind. This is a quick and slightly healthier version of something.
No, it's not guilt-free, but
Less guilt. I'm done. Last second piece. Boy.
note to self, next time buy food for Josh.
You eat too slow.
I eat like a normal person.
You're disassembling. So guys, this is what we tried the new sandwich today, and you saw what we gave it all. So that's probably gonna be it for today. comment down below what you want us to try next. What fast food or
Slow food.
slow food? What restaurants you want us to go to? And remember to drop a like, share with your friends and whoever, and drop a subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and keep your head up. Smile again.
And eat fish for Lent. Cause a fish we love. Yes, a fish we love. A fish we love. Yes, a fish we love. We love fish. We love. Alright guys, we're gone. This was just a quick one. Yardie TV. Remember to like, share, subscribe as Joshua said. And keep it locked on Yardie Daily TV. Popeyes, we give you 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for the fish sandwich. The fish sandwich, shellings. Remember me tell you, where we say it have a buzz. It's nice and tasty. And it's good for your structure. Remember, Yardie TV. Peace.